Learn how to set up and manage security deposits in the Twice Rentals app on Wix, ensuring extra protection for your rental products. Let's start by setting up a security deposits for a rental product. Open your catalog and select the product for which you want to set up a deposit. Scroll down to the deposit section and enter the amount you want to set for this product. Save the changes and you're already set. Now let's have a look how security deposits appear to customers when they place an order. When customers select a product with a deposit, the deposit amount is displayed right above the Add to Cart button. In the cart, the security deposit appears as a separate line item, named after the original product. Customers see a note explaining that the deposit will be authorized from their payment card 24 hours before the booking starts. In the checkout, the order summary again displays the security deposit details. Keep in mind that products with a deposit can only be ordered through Wix payments. Without Wix payments enabled, customers won't be able to place an order online. Finally, let's view how to monitor, charge, or release deposits. In the Twice Order view, the right panel shows the payment status. The system reserves the deposit automatically 24 hours before the order starts. You can check its status here. In this example, it's marked as reserved, so the order is ready to be started. You can always check deposit details anytime by clicking Payment Summary. In the details, you can see when the deposit was authorized. Scroll to the right if you already want to charge or release it. In this example, the deposit is already authorized on the customer's card, and the order can be started as usual. Just hit the Start button. Once an order has been started, the next step is ending it when the rental is returned. Open the order from your active orders and click End Order. If a deposit is attached, you'll automatically be prompted to release or charge it before completing the process. Online orders are automatically synced to your Wix orders, where deposits can also be managed. When you open an order and scroll to the payment info, you'll see the deposit marked as authorized, along with its expiration time of 7 days. To take action, click Collect Payment. You have two options: capture payment to charge the deposit from the customer's card, or void payment to cancel the authorization and release the funds back to the customer. Whatever action you take here will automatically sync back to your Twice dashboard.